What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are on booking.com and I'm gonna be showing you how to change dates on your booking, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. So guys, let's say you have basically reserved an amazing vacation. So as you can see, this is Netherlands, and when we go over here, when you actually do all of the reservations, how to change it. So I would like to show you on my own profile, but currently unfortunately I do not have any, so we're gonna go over here. So what you need to do is click on reservations, then select the reserved vacations. So reservations, basically you can find them easily. So when you go to your account, uh, currently I do not, as I told you, I do not have any reservations. But when you go to booking over here, booking and trips, you will be able to see your reservations. So when you click on reservations, select the reservation you want to change. Under reservation action, select change reservation date and prices. Under select new dates, add a new check-in and check-out date. Click check availability and change prices to manually enter a new reservation price, then click next. So a question, can we change dates on booking.com? So guests with a free cancellation booking are able to change reservation dates themselves from their booking.com profiles. In some instances, guests with non-refundable reservations may also request a date change. So basically guys, there you heard answers to your questions. Unfortunately, as I said, I did not have any reservation currently, but I showed you a way to change it. So guys, hopefully this helped you a bit. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.